What if I told you there is a village resembling a picture from the fairy tale books? It is one of the most visited places in Europe and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. With alpine hills surrounding the extraordinarily picturesque scenery, adorned with a bright blue lake and the prettiest houses you will ever see. That's Hallstatt. A small village in Austria that is just 1 hour away from Salzburg. It is one of Austria's most beautiful, mesmerizing, and famous places, and it lives up to its name. So, let's talk about how we can get there. We started our journey from Salzburg to Hallstatt, and as we reached the end of our European trip, we decided to take a cab. The cab picked us up from Hotel Kolpinghaus, from where we visited Gossasi and Hallstatt, and back to Kolpinghaus, which cost us around 300 euros. We will upload our Gossasi video soon, so make sure you don't miss it. Taking a taxi was a wonderful experience as we could take as much time as we wanted in both places, and believe it or not, there was a chance to negotiate the prices. So, if you are visiting with your family, you can definitely give cabs and taxis a try. Now, coming to other ways of visiting Hallstatt, you can take the train from Salzburg, Hauptbahnhof, which is the main train station, to Hallstatt railway station. This will cost you around 27 to 30 euros, depending on how early you book, and the journey will last around 2.5 hours. From the station, you have to take the ferry that will take around 10 minutes and will cost around 3.50 euros. You can also take the bus that will cost around 25 to 28 euros. Or if you have a car, that's also a great way to reach Hallstatt because the journey is nothing less than breathtaking. Now, once you have reached Hallstatt, there are many things you can do. First and foremost, walk around the village and look at the most stunning views from all the other tourists. Hallstatt is visited by more than 3 million people every year and has a residential population of just 800 people. So don't be surprised if you find the place extremely packed with tourists. But I can guarantee you that the number of tourists will not diminish your experience in this magical land. So, apart from soaking in the scenic view, you can find an abundance of goodies to take home. Being a tourist place, there is an extensive range of shopping options for your favorite souvenirs. Next, you can visit the salt mines. It is one of the oldest mines in the world and it was functional in the prehistoric era. You can take a tour with a ride and some walking that would at least need 2 hours. Next, you can go to Five Fingers and view the entire place from a bird's perspective. To reach there, you can either hike for 20 minutes or take a ropeway there. spending hours walking around the beautiful village, you can now taste the regional delicacies. One of most famous items here has to be their bakery product, particularly cream rolls. You will find many little bakeries selling fresh cream rolls. It is worth giving a try. Along with that, you will get a range of seafood and traditional food such as fish and chips and schnitzel. The food is fresh and sumptuous, and there is a large range of restaurants that have different price ranges for all. In conclusion, Hallstatt is a magical village that truly lives up to its fairy tale reputation, offering breathtaking views, rich history, and delightful culinary experiences. Whether you choose to take a scenic train ride, a budget friendly bus, or a more flexible cab journey, getting there is part of the adventure. Once in Hallstatt, the beauty of the village, the charm of its shops, the history of the salt mines, and the delicacies local cuisine create an unforgettable experience. Despite its popularity and the crowds it draws, Hallstatt remains a place where the enchantment of its landscapes and the warmth of its culture will captivate your heart.